My name is Jessica Hill. I work at the law faculty. I teach two courses, one in the Law and Society program and one in the Criminology program. So using the mixed classroom model, I hope to achieve a more collaborative learning environment, and that students can learn from each other, and that they can end the course with further progression in their learning through bringing their different perspectives and sharing their different perspectives in order that they can develop more critical thinking skills, and that they are prepared for a more diverse workplace where they're going to encounter different perspectives with their colleagues. Okay, so applying the mixed classroom model to these two different courses. For the evaluation research course, which is part of the Law and Society program, this was it was kind of obvious how I could use this the model in this course. The Law and Society program, the whole program uses the mixed classroom model. So from the beginning, students are really prepared to come to the class, bring their own perspectives, prepared to work in groups and discuss and learn from each other. The other course I teach is Statistiek 1, so that's an Introduction to Statistics course in the first year of a bachelor program. It's much more fixed curriculum. It's the first of several statistics courses, so students have to really master the basics of statistics during this course. So there's less room for bringing their own perspectives, less room for discussion within the course. However, one way in which I've tried to introduce the mixed classroom model in the statistics course is by getting students to work in small groups, whereas previously lots of the teaching was done as plenary sessions. Now the students are given assignments which they have to work on in pairs or in small groups, and in that way they can learn from each other's different skills, different educational backgrounds in order to solve specific assignments. For the evaluation research course, the students were very engaged throughout the course. We had very lively discussions. At the end, their final assignment, they had to produce a portfolio that examined a specific societal problem. And because throughout the course we'd be discussing different perspectives on societal problems, I feel like for their final portfolio, you could really see that they were taking on board that not everyone comes at a societal problem from the same place. So that was a great result of using the mixed classroom method in the evaluation research program. For the statistics course, it was, like I said, it was more about getting the students to collaborate on problems. We didn't necessarily get a higher percentage of students passing the course, but we did introduce a different kind of question in the exam at the end of the course. So normally it's an entirely multiple choice exam. I introduced an open question at the end where they had to solve a specific statistics problem. Rather than just provide an answer from a range of options, they had to actually write out their solution to the problem. And so because they'd been practicing this in the class, in groups, I feel like this prepared them better for the open question in the final exam. My experience with the mixed classroom model is that even though you might teach a course that doesn't necessarily lend itself to the model, you can include small aspects of it in a wide variety of different kinds of education, different kinds of courses, and the benefits that it can have are tangible. So don't be afraid to try and apply the model, even if you think it doesn't really fit very well with the courses that you teach.